Hello, Chicken Gang! My name is Chicken Genius Singapore. Today we're going to talk about Tesla. How you can retire on Tesla. You need very little money for Tesla to retire on Tesla, Chicken Gang. That's right. And if you disagree with me, you are a donkey. Look at my pet donkey, Chicken Genius Butthole. Welcome back, Strongman Personal Finance. My name is Christopher Bell. I'm a certified public accountant. I know, crazy, but don't listen to me. Long-term boglehead investor, author of the book Stop Being a Broke Loser. It's on Amazon. You better go freaking buy it, and you better read it. Otherwise, you're going to be a broke loser. And hater of Chicken Genius Singapore, or as I like to call him, Chicken Butt Crack. Because his financial advice is literally the equivalent of a steaming, wet, poop-covered chicken butthole. And I don't know if you've seen a chicken's butthole, and I've seen plenty in my day, but they're pretty freaking disgusting. That's what I think about this boy. Chicken Genius. Now, if you don't know who Chicken Genius Butt Crack is, Chicken Butthole, he's a Tesla shill, okay? He's one of those, you know, there's a couple YouTubers out there, but there's a couple people out there that went all in on Tesla, and the stock went up irrationally, and it's still massively overvalued. And because they saw the stock went up previously and they made lots of money with unrealized capital gains, they believe the stock's going to continue to grow at the same rate as its revenue growth. Because they don't realize that, you know, the growth projections are already priced into the stock price, but whatever. Anyway, Chicken Genius thinks Tesla is just going to go to $100 trillion zillion market cap in like the next 10 years. And he says, all you got to do is buy Tesla. And if you buy Tesla, you're gonna be rich, and you're gonna get to retire very, very, very quickly. As a matter of fact, he says if you only have $240,000, you can retire off Tesla right now. Now the funny thing is, ladies and gentlemen, I checked his math. You like my cup, by the way? Mama Bear. That's right, I'm a big Mama Bear. I checked his math, and it was freaking wrong! So not only are his assumptions garbage, that you can just retire off $240,000 of Tesla stock, Tesla, but his freaking math is wrong. So let's go watch his video, because I know you fanatics, even when I provably show people that these people are full of crap, y'all aren't gonna believe me. So I need to go and pull up a video of this freaking loser, Chicken Butt Crack, and then I'm going to show you the math. What's that? This is math. Tesla. Then I'm going to show you the math and show you why he's completely freaking wrong. And if you listen to his advice, even if Tesla did grow by 20% per year, which, yeah, it's going to do that, bro. Tesla stock's going to be like 8 billion trillion in like 5 days. Even if it did grow at 20% per year, he literally can't even do freaking math correctly. So let's go watch him.
Hello, Chicken Gang.
Hello, Chicken Gang. I am Chicken Genius. I don't know how to do basic math and compound interest.
Welcome back to the channel. I showed you last week how to easily retire with Tesla stock. I felt that there was a small percentage of you that needed more or had some
Well, that's true. I'm just an idiot, Chicken Genius Singapore. You're obviously the genius. It's in his name. And he bought Tesla. And Tesla just always goes up. So of course I need more explanation of how I can retire off of Tesla. Supposedly I have enough money right now to retire off Tesla. All I gotta do is sell all my VT ETF and just put it all on Tesla and I'm already retired. Imagine that.
Concerns. So this video is for you. I do read your comments. So for those who have not bought a single share of Tesla or think it's too expensive now, let me know your thoughts after this video. So in this video, I'm not going to
Ooh, is he about to get naked?
hold back my numbers. I'm going to show you the numbers I'm applying for myself, the uncensored version. If you wanna
Look at this freaking microphone. What is that, a spatula? What a freaking loser.
High margin of safety, do go back to watch part 1. I'll link it up here and down below. This video is for addressing the most common questions that keep surfacing. So back to my slides. A quick refresher. This is how I calculate. You keep your capital invested. You withdraw what you need by selling some shares and let the remaining capital grow. This
That is how fire works. But there's actually a small issue if your numbers are freaking wrong, you chump. So let's see your numbers. And then I'm going to compare them to my numbers that I put into Microsoft Excel. And I even verified on Bankrate.com. And let's see who's correct, Chicken Genius. Your amazing predictions of how to retire on Tesla, or my literal 5 minutes of work to prove how freaking stupid you are. But your fans still love you because it doesn't matter how wrong you are. It's Tesla!
This is also known as the FIRE movement. So let's say I have $200,000. My investment grows at 10% a year. If I leave it alone, in 10 years, I'll have $500,000. However, if I start withdrawing $40,000 to spend every year, in 7 years, I'll have nothing left. Get ready for it. These are my uncensored numbers.
Now the meat's coming out.
Again, if you want the conservative numbers, go back to my first video. Capital required to retire is $240,000. Tesla.
Wow! I'm already retired, ladies and gentlemen. All you need is $240,000. Now, the average person, or the average reasonable person, would say, I could withdraw maybe 4% of my principal every year and make that last forever. So if we do the math real quick, let's see how much we can withdraw every year using reasonable assumptions. Not with Tesla, of course, because Tesla just goes up by 20% every year. So on average, we could withdraw $9,600 per year, and that would last us forever as long as we, timed it all correctly. And that would generate income of $800 a month. That's what I'm using for my assumptions. But Chicken Butt Crack, he's saying you can get 20% per year every freaking year going forward from just buying 100% Tesla stock. What a freaking madman.
Tesla on average will return 20% annually. 20% is extremely fair considering Tesla is a business that fundamentally grows at...
Okay. 20% is not extremely fair. He's mixing up growth of sales and growth of revenue, well, it's the same thing, or growth of free cash flow, or whatever, with growth of the stock price. The stock price already factors in the growth. It factors in the market's best assumptions of the stock's future cash flows, or in this case, irrational future cash flows. This freaking loser doesn't understand the basics of how stocks are priced. Stocks already factor in future assumptions. Just because a company grows by 20% their sales, people are already factoring that in to determine the current stock price. That doesn't mean the stock price itself is going to go up by 20% per year. You freaking moron. God!
50% a year. And I'm not pulling random numbers. So in my previous video, some mentioned the numbers I gave for cost of living is not enough. So for this video and for myself, I'm very comfortable with $4,000 USD a month, and you should too. And for those who dare to say that $4,000 is not enough, please reflect on the lifestyle inflation. There are billions of people living below $1,000 US a month with a full family, happy and carefree. I believe $4,000 US a month is good enough no matter where you are in the world.
Okay, so this is freaking stupid. So let's go check these numbers. So you invest $240,000. It grows at 20% per year every single year consistently because it's Tesla. And your cost of living per month, so you're going to take out $4,000. So I made this little Excel sheet. I know this is getting boring for you Chicken Genius fans because it's like math, I'm checking his freaking loser assumptions. So I said, okay, our initial investment is $240,000. Annual growth rate, 20%. Monthly withdrawal, $4,000. And then I made this nice little table here for you. So here I have the beginning balance of every month. I have the months on the left. Then I have the beginning balance. So we start with $240,000. We withdraw $4,000 at the beginning of every month. And we get our ending balance because the $236,000 is going to grow by 20% divided by 12 every single month. If the annual rate is 20%, then the monthly rate is 20% divided by 12. So let's see where you're going to be in 20 years. So I go down. Oh my God. It looks after 240 months, that's 20 years, you're actually going to run out of money. What does Chicken Butt Crack say? No, you'll last for 30 years. If you take out $4,000 a month, and of course, that's not even assuming inflation. You actually have to take out more and more every single year. But that doesn't matter. Chicken genius, Tesla. If you take out $4,000 per month, he says after 30 years, you'll have $239,000. But this very simple calculator that I put in shows that after 20 years, you spend all your freaking money. It's gone. It's gone, mother effer. Now, well, not 20, maybe 20 years and some change. Oh my God, Strongman, you're not perfect. Now, I was like, could I be wrong? Could I possibly be wrong? Could this calculator be messed up? So I went and looked on bankrate.com and I did a savings withdrawal calculator just to check my work. So I did the same numbers, starting amount 240,000, years of withdrawals 30, whatever. Rate of return 20% and periodic withdrawal 4,000 per month, and the interest is compounded monthly. That's exactly what I did for my Excel sheet. And look at that. In year 20, your balance is $32,689 left. And look at that. Year 20, $32,689. So it looks like Bankrate corroborates my math. It looks like my math is correct. But I don't know what freaking assumptions this freaking loser is doing or what calculator he's using. But this is blatantly freaking wrong. 100% freaking wrong. You're not going to have $239,616 after 30 years if you're taking out $4,000 a month. And if you think about it, with inflation in 10, 15 years, you're going to have to take out well more than $4,000 every month to support your lifestyle because prices go up with inflation over time. Now, what does this all mean? This means that this freaking total loser right here, look at this freaking idiot. This man has how many subscribers? How many subscribers does he have? 253,000 subscribers. So he's pumping out a complete freaking lie to 253,000 subscribers. And of course, he's popular because the more people screw you, the more popular they are. If you get effed by this guy, you'll probably just give him more money. You just give him more money, more likes, more subscribes. That's how it is. Provably freaking idiotic. Well, maybe Bankrate's wrong. Maybe I'm wrong, but, you know, Chicken Butt Crack, who, Tesla, 100% Tesla. You can retire right now. 20% per year. Tesla. He's right. Anyway, that's my rant on this freaking loser. If you listen to him, unsubscribe. And of course, nobody checks his math. Oh, I just trusted Chicken Genius. Anyway, this guy's a loser. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about me. Don't listen to this idiot. Always check these clowns' math. And y'all have a wonderful day. Choo!